Question 34. The development of antibiotic resistance in bacteria is an example of which process? So development of antibiotic resistance in bacteria can be caused by, first, if there is a variation in bacteria. So amongst all the like millions of bacteria, there can be one bacteria that has antibiotic resistant gene. So that's called variation. And second, if antibiotics is put into the region where there are a lot of bacteria, including that specific bacteria which has an antibiotic resistance, it's going to give like a lot of struggles to them. And then during the struggle, that specific bacteria will adapt and it will survive. Okay? That means others will die, but it will survive and it's going to reproduce itself and it's going to pass their genes or pass its gene to the next generation. Okay? And that's a development of antibiotic resistance bacteria overall. So, and these steps or criteria are the example of natural selection. Okay? Evolution by natural selection. So B is the right answer for this one. So when we talk about the natural selection, it is very crucial for you guys to mention about these criteria, like in this order. So if you can mention these in order properly, then you're gonna get like full marks easily. All right. So this is very important. So keep in mind. All right.